Buying cheaper cuts of meat is a surefire way to lower your grocery bill. And currently they're even cheaper, with supermarkets and butchers slashing prices. And according to one of our top family chefs, anyone can cook up a dinner-time storm with them.
Succulent winter meals with a secret ingredient. They're cooked with the cheapest cuts of meat from our supermarkets and butchers.
And we're going to just slice this shoulder up. Look at that. Oh, it looks delicious. Popular
Brisbane Ekka demonstration chef Jan Cranitch says anyone can turn a cheaper cut into a dinner-time masterpiece, feeding the whole family for under $10, as well as leftovers for lunch the next day.
I think it's really important if you shop around, so the Aldi, the Coles, the Woolies, your butcher.
Jan's favourite affordable cuts include beef brisket, pork shoulder, chuck steak and silverside. And now's the perfect time to buy, with major supermarkets dropping their prices on family winter meat cuts.
We have corn silverside, which we've dropped to $10 a kilo. We're selling a boneless pork shoulder for $8 a kilo.
And we've seen the price of pork drop by about 15% and the price of chicken drop by 14%.
Jan says the key to success with cheaper cuts is to coat them with sauces and flavour with seasoning and herbs. Then cook them low and slow.
We can get our slow cookers out and we can do some roasts in the oven.
And she has some simple tips for mealtime success. This beef brisket done in the slow cooker can be sliced for dinner or shredded for lunches.
So I get all the little jars of chutney or barbecue sauce, and what I do is just rub and massage it into the brisket.
Silverside is also a slow cooker hit.
So just put some water and vinegar, some cloves, some peppercorns, some onions, some bay leaves, brown sugar.
While chuck steak isn't as tender as other cuts, when it's slow cooked, it's mouth-watering.
We've diced it up, bit of seasoning, in the oven, brown it, and then we put it in the slow cooker. Then we've got this beautiful casserole with a few veggies, chickpeas in it to bulk it out.
And finally, for the best roast pork crackling in the oven,
I undid all the plastic on it yesterday, and I just allow the skin to dry out just so you can get a much better crackle when you're baking it in the oven.
For all of Jan's budget family recipes, go to her website jancranitch.com.au. Olivana Lathuris, 9 News.